Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see here with key fobs I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a side entry, power ramp and door, and it's got the key fob here. What I like about this conversion is they've separated the ramp from the doors. So if your doors have a problem, you know it's a Dodge issue. If the ramp has a problem, you know it's our adaptive vans conversion. It's the issue with the ramp. These ramps have like a winch motor in them. They're super simple to operate. They're super simple to work on. You can take this to any mechanic. This is not one of those situations where you got to take it over to a specialized Braun dealer or something like that and pay out the backside. These are a nice, affordable ramp. They're a good alternative to the super expensive conversion companies out there. On the interior, this van is darn near brand new. It's a brand new conversion. Got upgraded Q-string tie downs. Got the removable passenger seat. So, say you want to have your special someone up next to you, you can put them there right next to you. You could even put a second wheelchair back here, hold two at a time. Or say you want to drive this van and be 100% independent. You could park your power chair or wheelchair here, slide over to the driver's seat. You decide when you want to when you want to go. You decide when it's time. You do whatever you want. 100% independent. Got our tie down information back there. Headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls. Got the override switch right there on the van, on the ramp. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics. You got your cup holders right in there. And you can also shut all the power doors up here, of course. I'm going to exit back out the van. And on these controllers for the ramp, you have to hold them. So you hold the up button. You got to hold it until it comes up. Super simple to do. And then I will go ahead and use the fob here. We got two fobs, both for the conversion and two for the vehicle. But all the doors shut smooth, they shut tight, got tinted windows. Excuse me. Got our alloy wheels. These tires are darn near brand new, just like the rest of the van. Only 14,000 miles on this van. As I do a walk around here, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking for scratches or little dings in it. I'm not gonna say it's a perfect van, but this is probably one of, if not the nicest 2018s you're going to find. I handpick every single one of our vehicles personally. I am the owner, and I think you're going to tell by our videos. We're extremely thorough in everything we do. I've bought vehicles before and had, driven 9 hours to pick them up and had people completely lie to me about the vehicle. So I'm not about that. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reviews and ratings, and make sure you get a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN sticker. That VIN sticker, what that means, the vehicle's here in my possession. This is not some internet scam. Make sure you get a video of that no matter who you buy from. What we do with that VIN number, do a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. You can see no accidents or damage and regular oil changes. Last owned here in Salt Rust Free, Kansas. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. Again, no accidents or damage and no open recalls. You can also do this on our website, but you can see the vehicle has been serviced meticulously. Regular oil changes, very well taken care of. Shows the last oil change was about 11,000 miles. So about 3,000 miles since the last oil change. Now don't get me wrong, on the synthetic changes, things have changed. You can go 8, 9, 10,000 miles between changes. No matter who you do business with, find them online, look at the reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,449 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's pretty darn good. Also, no matter who you do business with, find them online, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company, first of all. Second, look up their reviews and ratings. Look at our 4.8 stars out of 5. I hear a lot of people, they talk about how they bought a van from someone off Craigslist or Facebook, a private individual they knew nothing about, on a deal that was just too good to be true. Well, guess what? Ended up being too good to be true. They get scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon, a van they can't get a title for. If you're buying from a private individual, there's absolutely zero regulations. You better be careful who you're buying from. You better know what you're doing. or they end up buying from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. You know, I look these dealers up, I know who they are, and the customers don't do their due diligence when researching. So, you know, if you want to buy a 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 and 3 star dealers, expect 1 and 2 and 3 star vans. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to speaking with you. Another great feature about this van, when you got the doors locked, you hit the remote start, it's going to beep at you twice and it'll fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned vehicle in the summertime or it's wintertime and you want to come out to nice defrosted windows, the van heated up and ready to go, the remote start is a great option. Got our power driver's seat, got the leather seats with the cloth insert that these SXTs have. And if the doors ever, power doors ever start acting up, they do have the manual override. You can hit off, they become manual sliding doors. And you'll notice this van has the firewall along here. I like this, it's a nice safety feature to have. You know, if you're pushing someone in their power chair or wheelchair, that they cannot roll out the side. I've heard of stories where people have rolled out and injured themselves pretty badly. So I like this as a safety feature, so just want you to be aware it's there. And one thing a lot of people like about these rear entries is the storage room in the back. If you're taking a trip or something like that, you got room for a suitcase back here, some luggage, and you also can turn it, pull the seats down, simple as that. Now you got a whole lot more room. You know, if it's just you or you and one person, you can fill this with luggage, storage. Super simple to do. So let's get her out for a test drive here in just a minute. I've got the keys. Let me get the van turned on here officially, and you can see when I do. 14,093 miles, just like Carfax shows. Actual miles, those are all documented with all the oil changes. Got our backup camera, a great safety feature to have. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those working right now. See them moving on the other side over there. We test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. Replace fluids as necessary. Taking them on a road test, check the tires. And my point is, we do not just throw these vehicles on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. I'm even showing you the back vent windows back there. So let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, you'll find much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, you know, from being in a flood or being up north in a rust belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 14,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. They assume it's never had frame damage. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to their website. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, no flood damage, nothing like that? Do they get on their hands and knees on the ground like I am right now? Do they even bother taking pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage? Or do they just ask you to assume all that's taken care of? Don't do that. Don't assume. You know what ends up happening? If you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from a flood or an accident, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van that you can't even drive. You bought a paperweight. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things before you buy. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. I mean, if they're asking to spend $40,000, $50,000 buying sight unseen, tell them to get off their behinds, get out there, put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of these videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfaxes. I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, we already touched on this, do your due diligence. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Find out who you're buying from, take 5 minutes, research up on them, look them up on the internet, make sure they're a real company, and check out their reviews. And then fourth, demand a warranty. All our vehicles come with a warranty. We stand behind our product. This van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. You got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Van runs and drives like a brand new van down the highway. Very nice, very clean. Also keep in mind, we do have our 90-day complimentary warranty. We do have long-term warranties though that cover not only the van but also the conversion. They go all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They got a document fee, they got a tag fee, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So my price you see is the price of the van shipped to your door, no hidden fees. Be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know in any business, transparency is key, especially the used car business. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. So if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's gonna call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, well, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish. I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. Hey, and if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know there's a lot, it's a long video, but I know it's a major purchase, so I want you getting all the information I know about the van, so thank you. Give us a like on YouTube, a thumbs up, that'll help us out. And if you'd like to be the first to see all the upcoming inventory, give us a follow on YouTube. You'll see all our videos before anybody else does. And if you ever do want to come in, we'd love to spend some time with you. Please, please, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. I'm at auction, doing videos. We are running all day, every day. We keep our overhead low by not having a bunch of salesmen sitting around doing nothing. We work really hard, but we're more than happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.